Atonement means
பாவ நிவாரணம் என்றால்
పాప నివారణ అంటే
reconciling with God.
தேவனோடு ஒப்புரவாகுவது,
దేవునితో
Not to make him a kupatoti, not to make him a dustbin.
அவரை ஒரு குப்பை தொட்டி ஆக்குவதல்ல,
వాళ్ళ చెత్త దానికి చేయడం కాదు.
That he will cleanse us from all unrighteousness.
அவர் நம்ம எல்லா அநீதியினின்றும் சுயத்தினின்றும் அவர் சுத்திகரிப்பார்.
స్వార్థం నుంచి మనం శుద్ధీకరిస్తారు.
Not because of that land, not because of somebody who died in his place.
தன்னுடைய இடத்துல மரித்த ஒரு ஆளுக்கு அது நிமித்தமாக அல்ல,
ఆయన స్థలంలో మరణించ దాని కోసం కాదు.
Atonement means
பாவ நிவாரணம் என்றால்
పాప నివారణ అంటే
reconciling with God, not because somebody died.
யாராவது ஒரு மரித்த நிமித்தமாக அல்ல,
In
தேவனோடு
that case, is a weak God.
அப்படிதான் இருக்கும் என்றால் அது ஒரு பலவீனம் உள்ள தேவன்.
ఆ విధంగా ఉన్నట్లయితే ఆ దేవుడు ఒక బలహీన దేవుడు.
That is why the people of the world make God far away, but God is always with us from creation.
உலகத்தின் மக்கள் தேவனை எங்கோ தூரத்திலே வைத்து விட்டார்கள், தேவன் எப்பொழுதும் சிருஷ்டிப்பு நாளிலிருந்தே நம்மோட இருந்து வந்திருக்கார்.
లోక ప్రజలైతే దేవుడు ఎక్కడ దూరంగా పెట్టిన కానీ సృష్టి నుంచి కానీ దేవుడు మన దగ్గర ఉంటున్నారు.
This realization will come only for the people who left everything